Okay. Yes, chickens? Oh, Bob? 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 Little one move, you get sat on and splattered on. Oh, thank you. Come on, Chucky. Come on, Chucky. Thank you. Oh, I still forgot the glasses. Oh well. Yes, wrap around birdskies. Hey, hey. I getting to catch a sunny bird. Hello, funny Birbs. You gonna accept the pat, are you? Yeah? Accepting a pat and next to Chucky. Hello, come on. Come on. Oh, excuse me. You pushed the whole containers over. You naughty Burberries. Uh-oh, yes indeed, uh-oh. Big uh-ohs, there we go. Come on. That was very big chiefdoms. I know. Thank you, Lizzie. Kissy, kissy, kissy. Oh, Bob's in the bucket. Trying to get the other container out. Yeah, almost. Almost. There we go. Kaflingen. Kabobbin, kaflingen. Wingerdingen. Thank you, Lizzie. Kissy, kissy, kissy. Yeah. Okay. Munch and crunch from the Birbie bunch. Thank you, Lizzie. Kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Lizzie, kiss. Kiss, thank you. Kiss, kiss. Kiss. Do I get a kiss? Do I get a kiss? Hello. There you go. Thank you, Lizzie. Kiss, kiss. Birdie bliss. Thank you, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Lizzie. Oh, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Oh, huge kiss. Candy Birbs. Oh, Swapsy Birbs. Who we got? Hello. Come on. What's that squawkination? Oh yes, okay, honk honk. Hey honky, I know. Whoop. Squawk a word. Just my cat. There we go. Thank you, Lizzie. Chucky, chuck. Chucky, chucky. Chucky, chucky. Chucky, chucky. Thank you, Lizzie. Come on, in you get birds. In you get birbies. The nice thing about the tripod is, other than not having the, the bad thing with the tripod is not having the close-up of the birds. But the good part is getting the overview of birds. And I get two hands free, so I can hold on to the, it's alright, Chucky. So I can hold on, the bird can sit on one side, and I've got a free hand to, go the turkey, to pat the Chucky and friends. I know. Yes. Cecil B's being eyeballed in the water. Chucky. Yeah. Hello. Thank you, Lizzie. Kissing. No, with no missing. Oh. Hop, skip, jumpsky birds. Look at you, Chucky, and all of you. Oh, seabird. 1 year or so, well, 2 years for some, but really just a couple of years. And look at the difference. Chucky used to jump tree to tree to tree. But initially not on me. Then he came closer and closer. And now look at the hang and the bugsies and the lizzies. Hello, little lizzie, boss. Lizzie, missy. Yeah, what am I trying to say? Oh, really? Come on, Lizzie. Thank you. Hello, yes, hello, bird. Cookie, Lizzie. Yes, Squawker Master. Pacifier of the squid. Oh, we're climbing up. We're climbing the tripod now. We're climbing the tripod. Oh, look at you two. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Gee, Birbs. Oh, thank you. It's Footbird. Oh, it was Footbird. I got. Excuse me, I've got double Cecil B's. One facing one way, one facing the other way. And the first time they're climbing the tripod. Chookie, come on, Chookie. Come on, Chookie. Come on, Chookie. There we go. Now I'll change the water's the water's burb over. I mean the bird's water over. Oh yes, Chookie. Oh, Chookie, you want some more? Oh yeah. Come on, you swap. You swap. Come on, swap. Swap. The Chookie. Chookie chook. Excuse me, Bob. Excuse me, Bobberations. Chookie. Chookie. I know, Chookie. Lay an egg. Lay an egg, Chookie Meister. Come on. Come on, Bobs. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. I know, Fluffy. Oh, Fluffy. Oh, Fluffy. Excuse me, footsies. Come on. There we go. What? Yeah, I know. Come on. There we are. Chookie. Lizzie. Oh, where's Lizzie? No Lizzie. No Lizzie. Lost a Lizzie. Where did I lose the Lizzie from? Lost a Lizzie. Yeah. Yeah, bird. I know. Yes. Hello, Chookie. Chookie, Chookie. Oh, so Chookie. Let's still get Chookie pats in. Tucked in. Chookie. Chookie. Oh, down my shirt. Rather you ate it and flung it. Oh, I get to hug a Chookie. Oh, thank you. Come on. Come on, Hong Kong. There we go. Honky tonky birdies. Honk honk bird. Whatever I'm trying to say. Play with the words. With the Birbs. Birb's the word. Word's the Birb. Oh, this couldn't be finer. Oh yes. Come on, Honk. Tap a spew. Whee! Patting a Chookie. This is so good with some derby medicine. Wait, excuse me. Excuse me. Yes, honk honks. Chookie. Chookie. I was going to go out for a very short while, birdies, but I decided you were all begging and begging and begging. And how could I say no to this? Not sure I remember the glasses though. Regular birds have got used to the glasses and no glasses. Oh, we lost a bird. Hello. G'day, g'day, I should say. Yo. Taxi Birbs, you around there somewhere? Taxi? Oh, thank you. Come on. Come on. Hello. Come on. Come on, bakeries. Come on, bakeries. Yeah, I know. Come on, Hong Kong. Come on, Hong Kong. Chucky. 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 Oh, thank you, Honk. Come on, Honk. Come on, Honk. Honk, honk. Honkerific. Oh, I lost a burb. Lost a burb, eh? Thank you, Honks. Chucky. Oh, yes, Honky. Come on. Chucky. 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 Oh, Chucky. You want a little footsie? Yeah? Oh, Chucky. Oh, Chucky. Oh, thank you. Who's nibbling on my ear? Oh, Chucky. Lay an egg, Chucky? No? Hello? Yeah. We get an acknowledgement over here. Bert? Yeah.